Hello students, today we will study the nested list. So a nested list is a list created within a list. So list created within a list is called a nested list. So ordered and unordered list can be nested within each other to form the multi-level list. So to create a nested list, see how we add a new list. See the code. In this code you can see that this is the input device. This is the ordered list. Inside the ordered list, see there is a nesting of the unordered list. So here you see the keyboard, mouse, scanner, joystick, trackball, digital camera are the list of the items of the unordered list, and here in the second you see the output device. This is the list of the ordered list. Numbering is given to. Now see the body background color is peach puff set, font color blue set. As you see, all the text are written here in blue. In the bold written example of nested list, ordered list, see open. List of items for the list input devices. Now unordered list is open after the list of items of the ordered list. You will type square set, keyboard, mouse, scanner. Now see here three words are written in the same line, but then also on the web page you are seeing these three words are appearing on the different line. This is the help of the li item, because the list of item after writing the item it change the line. Okay, now see the UL closed. Now we are change line here. Now font is closed. Now another font is used for the second list of items for the order list, that is the face Arial, color red. Again list of list one output devices. You will type disk, list of item, monitor, printer, non-impact printer. Now see the font is closed, UL is closed, OL is closed, and font is closed. Okay. So next you see the definition list. So definition list is also a list are used to outline the multiple terms and their descriptions one after the other. So as you see in a glossary and other names or values of list. So as you see in the books also, so many definitions are given in the glossaries also you can see. So definition term is there in the definition list. What you find the definition term and definition description. So the word and its definition is given. So the description term, that is the definition term, is written by the DT. So and DL is the definition list, and DL open and close. This is the container tag. Now the see the DL tag is used in conjunction with the DT. So as you are using li tag in the OL or UL, similarly here inside the DL you use the DT and DD. DT is the definition term and DD is the definition description tag. So DT helps in defining the terms or names, and DD helps in describing the each term or name. So you can see it here very. Yes, now see the definition of DNA and RNA is written. So this is written first DL tag open and close, and this is the definition term, and this is the definition description. DNA stands for the deoxyribonucleic nucleic acid. As you see in the code, background color peach puff, left margin 25. See definition list open, font size 6, color red. Definition term is given DNA, and definition term close. Now definition for description, see here started, and the font size and color set for the definition description, size 5, color green, and the definition for see that DNA is given. Now definition is closed, font is closed. Now again another definition term is open, RNA, definition term closed. Now font size, color green set for the definition description for the RNA. Now see D open and description is given. Okay, like this it is done. Now let us come on the notepad, and then we will write the code for the nested list, and we see its output on the web page. Okay, now see one this I have the notepad. Now in this notepad, see one nested list code I have written. As you can see in the code, background color of the page I have set green, top margin I have read 50, text red, left margin of 60 I set. Horizontal line I have drawn 10 with 25 with 250 color red. Now heading I have used list in HTML. So here I will write a nested list in HTML. Okay, nested list in okay, we are writing nested list in HTML. That will be good. Okay, nested list in HTML. Now comment, it will not be displayed. Font size it says 20, face Brooklyn, color purple. Unordered list is used when the item. So this is written here. So this we can remove it. This is not of the requirement. Let us remove these things. Benefits of positive attitude, another thing. Okay, only we write the, yes, this is not of use. Now that is removed. Now font size I have set 16, face Arial, order list opens if type equals to 1. List of the order list items I have given here. So here so much things are given, written. So there we can give the we can use the, suppose in the order list I have written fruits. So here I will write in the first list name of fruits. So it will be good. So what we write in the first, okay, here name of fruits. Now it is perfect. So after writing this list of items name of fruits, we put the unordered list which I have written here. See the unordered list I have written here. UL type square increases productivity, improves quality, all these things I have written UL. So there we can use some other, here I have written one thing. Okay, so that I will copy. Okay. Till here, cut it, Control X. Now paste it here after the name of the fruits. Okay, now see, this is the nested of the list. Now UL list of items given, two fruits name I have given. One more we can add it. No problem. Here we will add. You will write list of item, and in the li we can write some another pineapple we are writing. Okay, so we are writing pineapple. Similarly, we write another also fruit name. We are writing orange. Okay, so that is enough we have done. So inside the UL we have written, okay, so you see the list of, so here we have to open the UL. So UL open. Now we have to close the UL tag also here, then it will work. So if I close the UL tag, okay, now see the UL tag is closed. Now inside this order list, second list of item we are going to write. So the second list of item, suppose second list of item we are writing, uh, improves quality based, here we can write the heading. Okay, and here we can write. So as you can see here, the in the unordered list written increases productivity. So here quality, faster teamwork, breeds loyalty. All these things are written in the unordered list. So here we can give the heading, uh, good qualities, good qualities, good qualities, good qualities. Okay. Now in that we can, now here we will copy and paste in this unordered list from here, which we have unordered list. See type square this way. Okay, now this UL will copy it, cut it, and paste it here. Okay, now see, this UL is not closed, so let us close also. This UL is needed to close. Now UL is closed. Now this UL is also closed. Okay, now we are going to, this is deleted. This is not needed, no more. Now we have one font align center face with handwriting size 20 color magenta order list is used to erase it that also not needed. Okay. Now this all close body close. Now see here is the font is open. Now this font I have not closed. Okay, so here I have to close the font tag after ordered list. So let us close the font tag forward slash list. Okay, so now we will close the font tag, body close and HTML close. Okay, as we see the code now we go through. So here now you can see that we have set the font size 16 face Arial and order list we have opened. So order list we can, okay, now it will be good to use. So okay, now you can see it. Leave it. So some here is there. Now see this OL open and OL close. Now inside the OL we have using the nested of the unordered list. This one unordered list. Now let us save it and execute it. So we have already executed this code. Now just we have to refresh it. See. So when I refresh the page, uh, okay, let me open the first, that is saved only nested list. Okay, now we are writing here the search bar the name of the file, HTML file, nested. Okay, nested, let's see, make a double click on it. Now you can see it, see nested list in HTML, that he has seen name of fruits, and in the another list no, see the order list numbering here, type for the first is not defined and second for the type is the square. So that's why you're seeing. So good quality is increased productivity. Now you can see it. Okay, so this text color we can change also. Here text we have written the red. Now go on the code and change the text color. Red not looking good, so make it some other color, make it yellow. Control plus S. So we will refresh the page. Now after refreshing you see now yellow, now it is looking good, no? On green yellow, now it is good looking. Okay, now see like this we can create a nested list. So in the next tutorial, in the next class we will study about that how to create a definition list. Okay, so like this you are going to get the questions in exam also, that write a program to create the this type of list. Okay, so prepare well till lesson 4 is in your syllabus. Till lesson 4 the questions are given in the question paper. Okay, so before the exam we will complete the lesson 4 also. Thank you for the attention.